Dear students, today I will talk about inversions of different mechanisms. So as you know, if you have a constrained kinematic chain, so if you fix any one of the link of such constrained kinematic chain, they will get one inversion. So in other words, if you fix different links of that particular mechanism, then we'll get different inversions. So let's begin with 4-bar kinematic chain. So 4-bar kinematic chain, as you are aware, that a 4-bar kinematic chain is like this. So here you can find there are 4 links, right? So as per the definition, by fixing different link we can get different inversions. So let's begin with by fixing link 1. So if I fix link 1, then I'll get one inversion, and that inversion is called as crank-rocker mechanism. So let us have that feel by this model. So in this case, let us assume this one is your link 2 and this one is link 1, right? So I am fixing this link, and if I am trying to rotate this link, then by rotating this link will lead to this sort of motion. So what kind of this motion would be? This motion is called as crank-rocker mechanism. So this is the first inversion, and this inversion is called as crank-rocker mechanism, right? So if you can draw it separately, then this is something like in one of this thing in which link, you can name this different endpoints. So when this point rotate, then this point can only oscillate. So this is how this crank-rocker mechanism functions. I have shown in the animation. Now instead of fixing link 1, we may fix link 2, and we will try to see what will happen in this case. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now this link is fixed and 1 is free. So now I will show you in the animation part. Now I am rotating it, right? So it means if I fix shortest link or the link 2, then what I am getting the feel? I am getting the feel that link 1, 3 and 4, 1 and 3 are rotating about these 2 points, or you can say A and B. So they are rotating about A and B, right? At the same time, this link, that is link 4, is revolving around 2, right? This is revolving. So this mechanism is called as drag link mechanism. Or it can be termed as a double crank mechanism. So what exactly happening in this case? The link 2 is fixing, 3 and 4 are rotating about this point. So I can draw the circle drawn to indicate the locus of point C, and another circle can be drawn by keeping locus of point D in the mind. So this is the, you can say, the motion of link 3 and 1. So both are link 3 and 1, both are acting as a crank. The third inversion we will get, we have 4-bar mechanism, right? Link 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us fix link number 3 to get the third inversion. So I have fixed link number 3. By fixing it, now try to see what will happen. So you have this sort of system, right? Now I have fixed link 3. So by fixing link 3, what is happening? Try to see in this model. One link is rotating, right? So what is this link will be? This link will be crank, right? This is crank, and this link is called as a rocker because this link is oscillating. If you carefully see this, right? This link 2 is making complete turn, whereas this link just oscillating. You see this, right? So again the inversion becomes this inversion, where now if we give the same end points, then in the first inversion link 2 is rotating about point A. Now in this inversion link 2 is rotating about point B, but this link is still rotating. So link 2 is still rotating about point B, right? So this is again called as a crank rocker mechanism. So this is third inversion. Now we will talk about fourth inversion. I can fix link 4. So now link number 4 gets fixed, and we will try to see what is happening, right? So once we fix link 4, then what will happen? We can see it in this animation. You have this sort of arrangement, right? Now this one is fixed. So if I move this link, then this is what the motion is happening. So this inversion is called as rocker mechanism. So no link is allowed to take complete turn. So the next inversion, or rather this is the fourth inversion, but if you look at the different type of mechanism which you get, then the answer is only 3, because by fixing link 1 you are getting crank rocker mechanism, by fixing link 2 you are getting double crank mechanism, and by fixing link 3 again you are getting crank rocker mechanism. But by fixing link 4 you have seen that no link is allowed to take complete rotation. So both the links 1 and 3 are performing oscillating motion, or they are rocking about point C and D. Therefore this is called rocker mechanism or double rocker mechanism. right? So with this, these are the simple cases of different inversion. The part A is over. Thank you.